Title: How to change Apple account password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Apple account password on your iPhone. If you forgot your password, want to improve your account security, or simply want to update it, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Open Apple Account Settings. At the top of Settings, tap on your name to open your Apple account settings. Step 3. Go to Sign In and Security. Now tap on Sign In and Security. Step 4. Select Change Password. Tap on Change Password to start the password change process. Step 5. Verify your identity. Your iPhone will ask for your device passcode or Face ID verification. Security Delay Section. If you see a security delay message, don't worry. This happens when stolen device protection is enabled on your iPhone. Apple may require you to wait before making sensitive account changes. Wait for the security delay to finish, then return to Settings, your name, Sign In and Security, change password, and complete the process using Face ID. Turn off stolen device protection, optional. If you want to turn off this feature, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, Stolen Device Protection, then turn it off. You may still need to complete the security verification. So that's how you can easily change your Apple account password on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.